All right, so we're here again at LEGOLAND Florida for Brick or Treat for the third year in a row. But this year we have
me,
Bret. Yay!
I'm enjoying everybody on this magical adventure to Legoland, which I've never been to.
All right, check out the Dragula.
So you know every rocker's gotta have rock and rhythm, am I right?
Oh yeah.
Alright, so repeat after me. Go stomp, stomp, clap. Alright, let's do it one more time. Everyone join in. Stomp, stomp, clap. You think you can handle that? Alright,
well,
I'll give you a song to put you to the test.
Maybe not.
Stomp, stomp, clap, everyone.
Bill and Ted! Bill and Ted!
Stomp, clap.
Where's Bill and Ted? So LEGOLAND Florida has recently implemented a virtual queue line for some of their attractions. You can see some of them are using that queue right now. It works through, of course, the app. As they have every year, Miniland is all decorated for Halloween, which is pretty awesome. Got a scene over here with vampires. Some of them lost their head. Oh, those are zombies, really. But witches. You just have to look around to see them. They're all scattered, usually in this area specifically, but they're scattered around. It's pretty awesome.
We got Clock Tower right here.
Yep. Look at the mini Dragula. Cool. Ooh, this is cool. I like that. It's nice theming.
It's your castle.
Yes. So we are here at the Firehouse Ice Cream for a new treat this year for Brick or Treat. So this is the treat. It's a cookie dough cone with, it looks like a Twizzlers pull and peel and some chocolate chunks. All right, so it's pretty good. It's a little dry, but I'm not a big Twizzlers pull and peel fan, but the cookie dough is pretty good. Cookie dough. Here's Cookie. What is this called?
Spooky dough, not cookie dough.
Oh, spoopy dough. Ooh. Minimum vocal distance. Oh. Check it out. I can meet Brickbeard. We'll have to come back for that. Yep.
Now, do your thing. The bird flaps.
Here are them rules. This is the usual annual scavenger hunt. Usually it's within Miniland, but this year they spread it out to a larger area. Hello.
Hi there.
All right, so I was incorrect. It's actually around Duplo Valley specifically instead of Miniland.
Not far, 'cause you've awoken the groove in graveyard. Oh yeah! And to our crowd, a gift for you. You can now control my crew. The key is resting in your lap. Just simply lift your hands and clap. something gray. Something scary is in your way.
Not a photo.
Video.
Yes.
Any people on the other side?
I hope you don't mind I stole your soul, because it's too late if you didn't mind.
You're gonna have to get in line, sir.
I made a virtual line pass for it.
You guys are awesome. Thank you.
Thank you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying trick or treat.
Oh yes.
Fantastic. Have you got lots of candy?
Oh yeah.
Would you like some?
I'm a little fool.
Well, I mean, he is a wizard. He
Into
can.
the room, I don't say.
He is a wizard. He can make candy appear at whim, so he doesn't need any help.
If I paid attention in school. We're actually working on a spell right now. Shall we check on it?
Oh yes.
Let's see here.
Any will appear.
Remember, it's candy, not candy.
Right. Okay.
Oh, hey, you know,
Feel a
some.
bit raw.
Yeah. Oh. Coordination's not a thing.
But 5 second rule. 5 second rule.
You 5 second rule.
You're right. Okay, we're good.
Missed
We're good now.
again.
Ah.
Hi. Hello again.
Mommy.
I am my mommy.
New to the store here is this Super Mario set, which is pretty awesome. I'll link it in the description, or up here. I'll link it in the description for Amazon. There's a whole bunch of components to it. It's pretty cool. So that is a look at Legoland's Brick or Treat 2020, and
Yes. My first time here. First time for Brick or Treat. Awesome. Especially since I'm a big Lego fan. If you all don't know me, I am a very big Lego fan, and this was a treat for me to come here today. So thank you, Dave, for inviting me. We'll have to do this again some other time. Things are much better, and you don't get a copyright strike, because you're totally going to get a copyright strike.
yeah, and thanks also to Legoland for letting me let you come for as a complimentary guest.
Thank you. I enjoy this park now. I will probably come back here sometime very shortly.
Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.